We are here today to hear from the youth like yourself. You are the representatives of the youth of Sarawak, youth of tomorrow, youth of Malaysia. And therefore, we would like to hear also from you on how best we can work together, we can be of help to you. The little that we know, we can feel or dream of the past, the present and the future, that we can share with you. The rest is up to you to pick it up, how to make use of this, and the challenge is there in your hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, an opinion is useless to be voiced out if it is not heard by anyone. That is the most important lesson that I have learned today. Projek SUARA has created a medium where we as the younger generation could share our thoughts and ideas, while the older generation listens to the ideas and use the experience to create a solution. With every great minds of the youth in this room, it has not only opened my eyes, but my heart too. I wish the project could be longer than 3 days and 2 nights, but there will be surely more opportunities in the future.
Throughout this program, we have been exposed to multiple domains and discussions which deepen my appreciation to be a Sarawakian. Being at Projek SUARA also motivate me to become a better person for the future of this country. Another thing that I learned through this program is how passionate our youths are. As a 26 years old joining this program, where about half of the population are 17 years old students, I am very impressed and proud of the quality of the younger generations in this program. I believe with this younger generation, I wouldn't be too scared with the capabilities of our future leaders.
You are to carry the torch of a multiracial Sarawak. That is our option. No one else should dictate what the Sarawak option is. We determine it. You determine it. Don't listen to outsiders. Please don't listen to outsiders. If they tell us we should live differently, it is allowable to live together. It's a good option.